Hello, this is Purple Brick Productions, and today we're going to be testing out a fidget spinner on some Lego. So let's get straight to it. We're going to be trying to kill, or knock over these three robbers right here. Whoa, that one went a bit flying. Let's try the next one. Oh, that guy got off lightly. Just lost an arm and his hat. Alright, let's go for the last one. Let's go straight on this time. I'll just have to adjust this so that you can see properly. Whoa! That one guy got smashed to pieces. Wonder what happened there that made him die so much easier. Well, I suppose we'll never know. Let's go on to the next one. Alright, let's see if it can destroy this colossal wall. Very, very sturdy here, but you never know what a fidget spinner can do. Oh, wow. Sorry. Let me just put that back. Okay, sorry about that. Knock the camera over. Alright, let's go again. Oh, cool. I'll go to my right hand this time, because then I can see down this end. Whoa. This thing's powerful. Let's go from the top this time, see what happens. Oh, cool. Now we just got to get rid of this bottom line here. Well then, it can destroy a whole wall. Wow, let's see what we can destroy next. What about this car? Let's see what happens. Oh, wow. Wonder what happened there. Let's give it another go. Okay, let's see what happens if we do it on the front this time. Oh, wow, this is really doing some damage. Let's try the back this time. Turn this around. Ouch. Well, yeah, I think it's pretty safe to say this fidget spinner can break a car. Right, let's see what we got next. Okay, next up we have the two most impossible pieces to separate in the whole world. The 1x2 plate. Now I can just see and hear everybody cringing as I click these together. Yep, they're stuck forever. Unless you have one of these bad boys. Now this is, as far as we know, one of the best solutions to separate these two pieces. These two 1x2s. Easy peasy. Now let's see if the fidget spinner can do any better than this. The previously unbeaten champion for removing these, or you could use, say, the other brick separator, the green one. So yeah, let's compare these together. So there we are. Let's see what this can do. Whoa, that shot off so far. It removed it with such force. It's incredible. I can't believe this. And also, this is really hard to get off of here. I mean, sure, easy peasy, squeezy lemons. Let's see if this can do it. Whoa, that flew towards me there. Well, I'm going to say it. It breaks these, it separates pieces even better than this thing. And I bet it could even give this thing a run for its money. I mean, in fact, I think this fidget spinner could even break the strong and durable brick separator, the invincible orange death machine. Let's see what happens. Oh, whoa. It's shattered into pieces. Look, it's completely gone. Broken. I'm scared of this thing. This thing can break anything. I mean, what is this? I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay. See you in the next video.